What if one screen could replace every tool your company uses? NEXUS is an AI-powered platform that unifies your entire business into a single command center. Dashboard, email, calendar, contacts, documents, and AI assistants, all in one place. 400 API endpoints connect your existing tools. 3 surfaces, desktop, tablet, and phone. Built for real industries: manufacturing, logistics, defense, education. AI workflows tailored to your domain. Deploy in days, not months. Night Shift is your AI development symbiont. It generates tasks, writes code, runs tests, and ships features while you sleep. 300 tasks completed autonomously. Constitutional safety ensures it never breaks production. GODEGEN evolves AI configurations using genetic algorithms. Adaptive mutation and a 25-dimension quality matrix drive continuous improvement. LivingCorp, AI handles execution 24/7 while humans set direction. 4 rings of capability, 1 autonomous corporate entity. Start free, scale when ready, from solo founders to enterprise teams. Start your free 14-day trial today at ZELTREX.com/demo. No credit card required.